Hi guys, it's me. How are all of you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. So, today is just one of those days. I just wanted to film, but I didn't want to put on makeup. It's the weekend. I changed and I went back in another set of pajamas. I wanted to film a different kind of video for this channel. Quite exciting because what are we talking about? Today we are gonna do oh my god, this might be dangerous, a Pop Mart unboxing. Let me just tell you, this bag has seen better days. It's straight from Kuala Lumpur, but I really wanted to keep it because you know how it is. Journaling, I doubt I'll be able to put that picture because it's a bit too big. But I mean, I could save the Pop Mart logo and stuff. Anyway, I wanted to unbox some of the blind boxes that I got from Pop Mart because let me just tell you, Pop Mart was a big thing of my recent holiday in Kuala Lumpur. It was fun. It was just so much fun. Here's the thing, when I went back to Malaysia, I obviously wanted to buy some things like I already said this in my previous video, my Issei Miyake bag. I wanted to get the jade bangle, but I also wanted to get a feel of this whole Labubu hype because I've been seeing it everywhere on social, and you know how it is. When there's a trend, I need to follow the trend. Especially because it's about accessories for bags. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm going to say I invented the whole, accessorizing and personalizing the bags. Okay, I've been putting big, ginormous charms on my bag for years. Okay, so it's nothing new for me. But I wanted to see this whole Labubu, and I did get a couple of Labubus. Are they original? I don't know because I didn't get them from a Pop Mart store. I just got them in one of those, stalls on the lower ground floor of the Mega Mall. Nevertheless, I love them. They are cute. Original or not, I don't care. They serve the purpose to be attached on your handbag. It's super cute and I love them. But I also went to a couple of Pop Mart stores in Kuala Lumpur. I went to the Pop Mart store in TRX. And I went to the Pop Mart store in Pavilion. And y'all know me, I have to bring everything to a whole another level. So I have several blind boxes in this bag. And I thought, you know what, we could open it together. Obviously, there's no Labubu. I went to the two Pop Mart stores and there were Labubus on display, but none to purchase. Apparently you could order them online and then go to collecting store. Anyway, it was a whole big thing, but it doesn't matter because I just like the whole unboxing of the blind boxes. And besides Labubu, there are also other cute characters. So yes, let's start. Okay, so let's start with the two, the Monters collection. This one is actually already open because I got this the last day of my holiday in Malaysia, and the girls really wanted to open it because they had the same and they wanted to see which one I got. So let me show you. I got the Queen. What a coincidence. And I'll put pictures so you can see it better. Anyway, this is the character, the Queen. It has a chain and a red cord. So yes, it's a mixture of cord and chain, and you get the character. And you can put it anywhere actually. You could put it on your bag. You could accessorize your shorts. That's how the girls were wearing it. Super cute and fun. And let me just say, it's really, it has a good weight to it. So I mean, it's definitely not like a cheap thing that you wouldn't want to wear. Very cute. And I like it. I got the Queen. I mean, what coincidence. So yes, that's one. And then another one from the Monters. It's called the Monters Wacky Mart series. Mini Market Labubu. And this is what it looks like. Super cute. I mean, the box alone looks like a little house. You can get all sorts of food basically. Chips, grilled sausage, yakitori, corn, milk, onigiri, and then the surprise. And this is the onigiri one. So yeah, basically comes in this little like mini market bag. Look, it's a little onigiri with the character in the middle of the rice. And it's so cute because it's nice and squishy. I want to say it's one of those materials that you use as anti-stress, I want to say. So yes, it actually serves a purpose. This is so cute. I mean, look at it. Look at it. So nice. Okay, very happy and excited with everything I got so far. Now, let's open this one. It's called Pajama Party. It's called Pajama Party, and it's basically, I want to say, a chain that you can put on your phone. That's what it looks like from the picture. And, oh, basically the characters of all the keychains are all the Pop Mart characters. So you get Crybaby, Molly, there's the Labubu, there's the Hacipupu, Pinot Jelly. They're so cute. I would like to get the Labubu or the Crybaby. Okay, I did not get the Labubu. I did not get the Crybaby. I got, what character is this? Oh, God, I can't read to save my life. Niata? Lazy Kitten. Okay. Lazy Kitten. Is it the Lazy Kitten? Yeah, it's the Lazy Kitten. Okay. Okay, we can do Lazy Kitten. There she is. And I think she will look super, super cute on my Bottega. Because, you know, the browns and everything. So nice. Yes. Okay. Now, this one I'm super, super excited about because it's the Care Bears. And I love the Care Bears. I grew up with the Care Bears. So when I saw that they had a blind box, and I think I got the last one that day, obviously. These ones restock, I want to say, pretty often. I had to grab one. There is Cheer Bear, Love a Lot Bear, Funshine, Friend Bear, Grumpy Bear, Share Bear. I have to say, I love them all. So I really don't care which one I get. Okay, let's not look at the card because the card inside reveals the color, which I don't know why they would do that. I mean, it defeats the whole purpose of the, you know, blind box thing. Purple is Share Bear. Sharing is caring. Okay, let me just say, the Care Bears are just as cute as the Labubus, okay? If you cannot get a Labubu, get the Care Bears. Look how cute. And this one has like a little, ice cream on its tummy with all the glitters. Oh my God. So cute. And it's so soft and it has the thing so you can put it on your bag or whatnot. Very, very nice. I'm so glad. And this is the little card in the box. I'm obviously going to keep it for the journal. And then we have 2 boxes from Hacipupu. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. This is actually quite a big box. And there's Ding Dong Reindeer, Lucky Puppy, Baba Sheep, and Grumpy Crocodile. Oh, and there's also over here Quirky Penguin and Adorkable Koala. And the surprise. I wouldn't mind getting the green Grumpy Frog. Not looking at the card. It's pink. Okay, I got Baba Sheep. How cute is that? So this, I don't know what, I think this is a little bag because it comes with a pretty long strap and there's a zipper. Yep, there's a zipper. You can put things inside. I obviously do not intend to go around with this, but I think it's just something so cute. And this is the little card. And then last but not least, another Hacipupu. Not that I'm particularly, into Hacipupu, but apparently these blind boxes were quite easy to, they were all available and they were actually characters that I didn't mind because I saw that they had a little thing that you could hook on whatever you wanted to. So yes, this is Hacipupu, the constellations, and it has basically all the zodiac signs. Yep. Will I get my sign, which is a Taurus? I doubt. These are all the zodiac signs. Will I get my sign? I'm a Taurus. We shall see. Not looking at the card. Not looking. This one is pink as well. So I don't think it's my sign because the Taurus wasn't pink. Oh my god! Pisces. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Really cute. I have to say pink with the blue. And then you can hang it wherever. Yeah, I have to say this Hacipupu, with the zodiac signs, it's really cute because if you want to, you know, get something to hang on your bag, this one is just nice because it's not too big, but you still get the whole, you know, the whole vibe. And yeah, and the card. Okay guys, so that is everything. I have to say this onigiri one is really satisfying. I highly recommend if you manage to get, you know, this one from the I don't know, like the supermarket collection or whatever it's called. Anyway, super cute, and I really like everything I got. As I said, going into Pop Mart stores is fun. I mean, even if you don't buy anything, it's just nice to go and look at everything they have. They have so many cute blind boxes to choose from. So, you know, not necessarily the whole Labubu. There's so many others, like the Care Bears. I mean, hello. Super adorable. Love it. And yeah, so this is just a little fun video that I wanted to film and share with you guys. And yeah, just to tell you that I too have hopped on the bandwagon of Pop Mart. Unfortunately, I don't have a Pop Mart here where I live. There isn't actually a Pop Mart even in Rome. The only Pop Mart we have here in Italy is in Milan, so definitely not around the corner. But yeah, I'm just happy with everything that I got. I wanted to share. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not. Comment, let me know if you like any of these and if you are obsessed with the whole blind boxes and Pop Mart situation. And until next time, bye-bye.